Hi, and welcome to this presentation on the gut microbiome. The gut microbiome is composed of trillions of microorganisms that include fungi, bacteria, protozoa, and viruses. These microorganisms are found in our skin, mouth, nose, lower gastrointestinal tract, and vagina for women, although more than 70% of existing bacteria resides in the small intestine. Because the bacteria is directly involved with regulation of metabolism, immune system, and protection of disease, a disruption in the equilibrium of the microbiome can have negative impact on our health. Obesity is also heavily correlated to the gut microbiota. The article introducing the gut health plan gives a good insight of how important our gut microbiota is in the management of our health. Although it is true that a balanced diet is essential for our gut, it is important to note that our gut microbiota is strongly influenced by what we eat and provides mechanisms that control our overall health. In the article, it states that if you're sick of all the dieting that leads to nowhere, the research shows that it might be our gut bacteria that prevents you from losing weight, when in reality our bacterial composition is dictated by what we eat, not the other way around. A study shows how obesity is associated with a particular gut microbiome. Two groups of patients on different diets had different gut microbiota at the beginning of the trial. Obese individuals show a high number of firmicutes and a low number of bacteroidetes, which can have therapeutic implications. What it is important to understand is that the proportion of the two bacteria strains can be changed with a healthy diet. The lean individuals showed a low number of firmicutes and a high number of bacteroidetes, which can be explained by the fact that they consume a healthier diet than the obese group. Although the gut microbiome composition can help with weight loss, it is our diet that needs to be changed first in order to change our gut bacteria. In addition, we also need to understand that the gut microbiota, yes, can be directly involved with weight management and weight loss, but there is a lot more to it than that. Our gut microbiota has a variety of roles in our metabolism, personality, immune system, and mood. Let's now focus on another important aspect of the gut microbiota, our mood and personality. Although further research is needed, there is evidence that suggests that our gut has a direct impact on our brain. This means that anxiety, irritable bowel syndrome, and depression are directly connected to the food we eat. The flyer is right in suggesting that a personalized, healthy, and balanced diet can help the individual improve mood. But how does this work? There exists a series of biochemical signals between the gut and the brain called the brain-gut axis. Many of these signals are being transmitted and received by our microbiome. But how does this axis work precisely? The answer is very complex and science cannot answer this specifically yet, but progress has been made. The first pathway involved in the axis is the vagus system that involves a series of nerves that send automatic signals between our gut, heart, lungs, and the brain. The vagus nerve is bidirectional, meaning that the gut can send signals to the brain and vice versa. The immune system is heavily involved in this as well. It monitors our gut composition, ensuring that no pathogen foreign microbes enters the body. The intestinal microbiome can prompt the immune system to secrete more cytokine cell signaling molecules that can be subsequently affecting our brain function. Microbes themselves can also directly secrete molecules that affect brain function. Certain metabolites from gut microbes promote serotonin production in the cell lining the colon. Moreover, it is dangerous and inaccurate to promote extreme weight loss in a small time frame. The health flyer promises weight loss of 20 kilos by following their 28 days eating plan. That could mean two things. The flyer could be misleading and therefore lying about losing so much weight in order to gain the reader's attention and hoping to convince them to try the program. Or the eating plan provided is a dangerous fad diet. Fad diets often work because they consist of extreme calorie deficit and macronutrient avoidance. All this in short term. These kind of diets are not sustainable nor realistic to follow long term because they don't allow the person to eat a balanced diet. Even though the gut microbiota can change within 24 hours from eating a healthy diet, the weight loss process is not as imminent as the improved gut bacteria. Overall, the flyer promotes a truthful service, although the information provided could be explained in a better and more evidence-based manner. Diet is a major factor that influences the gut bacteria. Therefore, a stool exam and relatively personalized diet plan can help a patient achieve any health goal of interest, whether it's weight loss and management or prevention of diseases.